Bullish quantum cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $12.96 and $24.49 by 2030. Market examiners accept Qtum could reach $10.08 by 2025. Bearish quantum market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.30. Quantum presentation. Quantum is a crossover blockchain application stage. It overcomes any issues among Bitcoin and Ethereum by joining their best highlights. Qtum utilizes the UTXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run shrewd agreements and decentralized applications while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dye, a previous Alibaba leader, and Bruce Fenton, board head of the Bitcoin establishment. They have gathered an amazing group of counselors, including Roger Ver, Anthony Di-Iorio, Zu Star, Misthos Ionu, Kevin Goffman, and Y. Benhuel. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WAC 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from organizers Asset Angel List. Also, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum one of a kind? The Qtum blockchain has two novel advancements that plan to address the four issues its organizers seen as most dangerous in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: record deliberation layer and decentralized administration convention. The record deliberation layer considers more noteworthy interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains and between shrewd agreements and certifiable applications. This is on the grounds that it successfully makes a span between various blockchains, taking into consideration simpler connection. Also, all makes it conceivable to associate brilliant agreements with genuine applications, which has been hard to do as of recently. The Decentralized Administration Convention resolves the issue of administration and blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be altered by anybody who holds Qtum tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Critically, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Furthermore, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Qtum value history. In May 2017, Qtum was first recorded on trades and was esteemed at $4.65. Until November of that year, the resource exchanged the $10-$13 territory. Qtum broke over the $13 boundary level on December 13th and rose to $62.70 in January 28. Qtum's ascent compared with the organization's participation at Block Show Asia in November. The Qtum coin was underestimated before this occurrence. From January to WAC 2018, the cost of Qtum kept on rising, arriving at a record-breaking high of $85.70 in February 2018. In any case, the market before long rectified, and the value tumbled to $4.30 by early September 2018. Qtum started to ascend and at last. The new send-off of primary net marking is supposed to drive further reception of Qtum as it becomes one of the most open stages for decentralized applications and brilliant agreement. With these positive turns of events, it's no big surprise that the Qtum cost is gauged to keep ascending all through 2030 and then some. Quantum is at present worth $2.88 USD. Qtum has moved 3.40% as of now with an exchanging volume of $33,709,786. Quantum is at present positioned 118 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $296,288,186 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Quantum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous quantum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Quantum value expectation 2023. Quantum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Qtum cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $4.32. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $4.03 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $3.46. Quantum value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Quantum Qtum cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $7.20. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Qtum's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $5.76 and a typical exchanging cost of $6.34. Quantum value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $10.08 and Qtum might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $9.22 and a low of $8.64 in 2025. Quantum value expectation 2026. In the event that Qtum effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2026. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $12.96, with a base cost of $11.52 and a typical cost of $12.10. Quantum value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $14.98 by 2027, with a base cost of $14.40 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Qtum has a most extreme value worth of $15.84. Quantum value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $17.86. In the event that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $18.73. Neglecting to accumulate the help Qtum needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $17.28. Quantum value expectation 2029. While Qtum is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $20.17 and a yearly cost close above $21.61 in 2029. Quantum value forecast 2030. By 2030, Qtum will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $23.05 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $24.49, averaging out at $23.62. Quantum value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Qtum cost in 2031 is projected to be $28.23 in case of a bull run, with a typical value